Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record a slow motion or Slo Mo video on your iPhone. It's super simple. So let's get started. First, find your camera app and open it. When it opens, you'll probably see the regular photo or video mode. If you don't see the Slo Mo option, just slide your finger across the mode selector until you see the Slo Mo option. This is where all your slow motion recording happens. In Slo Mo mode, you can choose different zoom levels like zoomed out, zoomed in, or the standard 1x view. You can also change the recording quality. iPhones let you switch between HD at 120 frames per second or HD at 240 frames per second. The higher the frame rate, the smoother the slow motion, but it will take up more storage space. Once you've set your preferences, you're ready to record. Just tap the red record button, and your iPhone will start capturing in slow motion. When you're done, tap the button again to stop. Now open your Photos app. You should see the Slo Mo video you just recorded, and that's all there is to it.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.